Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the refrigerator door shelf in a Samsung refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a minute or two to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new refrigerator door shelf. The refrigerator door shelf is used as additional storage at the upper portion of the door. It's easily removed and reinstalled. The main reason why it would need to be replaced is if it's broken and falls off. Open the fresh food door. To remove this door shelf, we need to push it up to disengage it from the door and just remove it. This is the old refrigerator door shelf next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. To install the new shelf in, we're gonna place it just a little bit above of the locking tabs and press it down. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.